Why Mount Rainier is the U.S. volcano keeping scientists up at night. CNN. Scientists fear Washington's Mount Rainier could trigger a swift debris flow caused by melting snow and ice. An event could endanger nearby populated areas. Below are your comments. About 30 years ago, I looked at property in a new housing development on the side of a volcano in Nama. It was growing rapidly because its height on the mountain provided favorable temperatures for people moving there from the US and Europe, compared to the hot, humid conditions of the coast. Almost every lot had a car to bus-size boulder or 3 on it. The vegetation was very sparse. It just didn't feel right for the tropics of Panama. I asked how long ago had it been since the volcano erupted, expecting an answer in the thousands of years. The agent replied about 100 years ago. We called it a day right there. Dodging massive rocks hurled from an exploding volcano was not my idea of an exciting retirement act. It blew my mind that there were actually people putting down decent money to build a house in a boulder landing zone. Related to the mountain but not the volcano per se, but in 1966 I was stationed at Fort Lewis, Washington, now part of Joint Base Lewis-McChord. We would be called to the parade grounds on occasions and we could see off in the distance the beautiful snow-covered Mt. Rainier. That's one Army memory I'll always remember. I seriously doubt anyone is losing sleep over Mount Rainier. I'd be more concerned about the big quake, tsunami we are due for here in the PNW. The Cascade Range of mountains is volcanic throughout its range, from BC down to CA. People forget the volcanoes work on geologic time, not human time. It would also release more CO2 into the air than all the muscle cars from the 70s combined, running for 100 years. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.